Hi, friends. Welcome back and welcome to my Christmas apartment tour for 2022. I did not decorate any of my living space with you guys. I did it all off camera except for my coffee bar and hot cocoa section. I just didn't have the time to record. So I am sharing everything with you today. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to be talking a little bit more than I would like. I usually like my tours to just play to music, but since I didn't share the decorating process with you, I would like to share a little bit more in detail today. So I'm going to start off with my tree. I love my Christmas tree. This is like my third Christmas, and it's from Walmart. I absolutely love it. But more importantly, I love many of the ornaments on my tree because they have a lot of sentimental value. Some were handmade by my daughter, some were gifted, some are from places we visited, and the Christmas Spectacular show. Every time we go, we get an ornament. So a lot of these ornaments are very special to us. My Christmas tree topper is this star from Target that we bought many years ago. I did this bow on the top, which I love. It's from Dollar General, and we added our late Zoe's collar to the bow in memory of her. And then underneath the tree, we always have this adorable Santa. He is actually about 23 years old. He was gifted to my daughter on her first Christmas. Isn't he adorable? If you put batteries, he does read the books to you. So he's a staple underneath our tree. On this side of the living room, it's pretty simple. Items that I've had from previous years as well. This beautiful little girl is my daughter on her first Christmas. It feels like that was just yesterday. I love to decorate with Christmas pictures from years past. And then I always like to have a seasonal blanket on my ladder. These bells were from Kirkland's. I kept my TV console simple as well with a magnolia garland and just added some lights and some eucalyptus stems. Again, pretty simple. I did not buy many new items to add to my decor this year. If you were here last year, you'll see that everything is pretty much the same. I just like to style things differently. This little cute Santa picture is new this year. I did share him in a haul, but my nativity scene and my angel, my sign, pillows, you'll see everything is from last year and years past. I just like to style them differently to give them new life, but we're not always all in a season to be buying new things every year. So just by placing them in different areas and styling them differently, you can give things a new life. This year, I decided to put my village on these shelves, and I really like the way it came out. Pretty simple. All my little village houses were from Target last year. My snowflakes are from Hobby Lobby. And the little mini trees, they're just trees that I've collected throughout the years. Some from Walmart, some from Target. I've mentioned I have quite the collection of Christmas trees. And if you noticed on the floor, that little tree was the tray that I shared with you guys in one of my hauls from Dollar General. I ended up putting it there, and I love it with the little twinkly lights and some faux snowflakes. This picture is actually a print that I bought off an Etsy shop. I will try to link the information below. I just printed it at Walgreens. I bought the frame at Michael's, and yeah, I think it looks great. I've struggled before with that wall because it's such a large wall, but I wanted a winter scene picture, not so much Christmas, but more of a winter one. So I think it looks good there. And then this is my coffee table. Nothing new to report here. Little mini wreath from Hobby Lobby with a candle, some stacked books. Easy peasy. So if you guys struggle with decorating, it really doesn't have to be anything extravagant. Simple sometimes is better, although some people might disagree. I really enjoyed decorating this table for Christmas this year. It's my first time decorating it this way, and I really do love the way it came out. So I just added this little wintry garland that I've had for years. I think the only thing new here in this table is this pegboard, which I bought last year after Christmas on clearance for like $5 at Home Goods. When I saw it, I knew I wanted to use it for my Christmas cards this year. This wreath, I bought it last year from Hobby Lobby. And then the little deer are from Target this year. And yeah, everything else I pretty much had on hand. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to everybody who sent me cards so far. I love receiving your cards. Thank you so much, guys. And then underneath, I just have my baskets with pillows and blanket and my little Christmas book and my stockings. And one of my favorite Christmas pictures is this Santa that I bought off of Kirkland on a clearance sometime in July, maybe two summers ago. And then that flock tree was last year from Walmart. And I love the way that little corner came out. And then this table I just decorated with some more Santas that I had, all neutral, my neutral colored Santas. And yeah, pretty simple, guys. And that is it for my living room. And now we're going to move on to my dining area and kitchen. There is a separate video where we decorated this coffee area together, so I'm going to link it for you guys and you can go check it out after you watch this video. And I love my coffee area. I love my Santa mugs. I like to make my dining space and kitchen a little bit more fun. You know, the decor is a little bit more fun. I feel like my living room is a little bit more on the neutral side, but this is a little bit more fun. And all I did here, I did add these little stockings. I did not do that in my video, but I added those little stockings, and I actually took them off a little garland that I have. I'll show you that garland in this minute. But yeah, I just clipped them off, added them here and there, and I love the way that came out. Just gave it an extra little fun detail to the coffee bar. And this is the garland that I was talking about. I found it on clearance from Michael's last season, and I love it. So I just kind of took some stockings off of this garland to add to the coffee area. And for my dining table, I just made this little tray vignette on this tray. With some fun items that I had, some things I bought this year from the Target dollar spot. and kept it simple. Simple is the word for today's video. But yeah, and then on my rods on my kitchen wall, I'll show you that in a minute, but first let me talk about this garland. I love this garland on my kitchen island, and I decided to put some multicolored lights on it. I feel like nobody decorates with multicolored lights anymore, and they're so nostalgic for me. And then the candy cane garland was from, I believe, Target last year. But I love decorating my rods, and again, I feel like I keep the staple items, you know, like the basket, the cutting boards. Those things usually stay on all year round, and then I just add seasonal items. I'll add a seasonal towel, seasonal greenery. So yeah, I really do enjoy decorating these rods. And do you guys remember this sign? It was like a pack of 5 from Target like 2 Christmases ago. I like to play a game where I ask, how many Target items can you find here? Because I feel like there's many. But anyway, guys, we just have the kitchen to tour, and then that'll be it. I just wanted to say thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you guys all. And I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, a healthy, happy New Year. Hoping that whatever you wish to do for 2023 comes through for you guys. I'm not sure how many more videos I'll have before the new year, but if I don't see you or talk to you, I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate you guys. But I do plan on having at least 2 more before the new year. So here's to hoping. Thanks again. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye guys.